John Nizeyimana, chairman LC1, who is going to keep the results. He is going to communicate.
Ihuriro kuronda abakozi hayemerezebwa ahabwa abantu abakakiiko ka District Service Commission okwosha. Esa Masco Assistant Commissioner harikura ebyo kuronda abakozi omuri Public Service Commission yagira ngo afunira okushaba ku rwo wa mukuru w'abakozi habwa Kisoro District kushajika aba district omukuronda abakozi nk'uko amateeka gakoragira.
We received the request. The procedure is that we receive the request from the chief officer of the district. This is Kisoro District government to come and support. Just Article 65 and 66 government support the district service commission. So we scheduled today.
Masco nagira mu district abetina bakakiiko ka Service Commission abarikora mukuru w'abakozi yasheme kuba nahandikira Uganda Public Service Commission akushaba obuhwezi ku rwo mu district ebaherire.
That challenge is like a district not having a district service commission. The procedures are that when the district service commission does not have when a district government does not have a service commission, the chief administrative officer gets permission from Public Service Commission requesting the neighboring district service commission, in this case for Kisoro, the neighbors I think are Kabale, Ruchiga, and any other.
Okurjira Ruth Muwanguzi, Principal Selection System Development Officer ohabwa Public Service Commission nagira ngo abantu 95 nibo barondwa kurujira ababuzo ebyakorera izoba.
Today we were scheduled to conduct an exercise on behalf of Kisoro District Service Commission, and we were expecting 85 candidates in total. They are from different categories. We have
John Yakahuma, mukuru w'abakozi ahabwa Kisoro District yahamya kwa kakiiko ka Service Commission ahabwa Kisoro District kakaba kesire abakuru ku rwo Public Service Commission okubaweraho okore buzebi. Nuko kwongera akagira ngwe hurigita kubasagumizamu abwa chairperson wa Kisoro District. Abakakiiko ka Service Commission obwa hati bakomirwe ahabwa kubajunana obushumanguzi.
Unfortunately, they could not conduct the activities because of what is going on in Kisoro. They found those ones that had invited them, included the chairperson of the District Service Commission on behalf of the Commission and the Secretary of the District Service Commission. Both of them are not around, as you know. You know what has taken place. Chairman of the District Service Commission, I think was arrested and still in Kampala.
Okongezebwayo kwehurreji kwareka abantu abamwe ababire bashabire emirimo batachine mani bakugira ngo bambarugari kwijo mu nteekateeka egi kandi abamwe bateekamu sente nyamwingi hamwe n'ebintu bingi ebyatwara sente nyingi.
Like hariho abantu bavaga hari abari kuva Kampala, abari kuva Kanungu, uzi advert yibayeho, you apply, so expenses zo zabayemo, but nukwihangana ntacyo gukora dufite.
Ebyo kiryaho Deputy Harasisa wa Kisoro District Dandi Kumwami yahamya kwebuze ebi babiyaho kandi nibuzagaruka bukorwe ahizoberindi.
Because now these officials were consulting, now ministry were consulting, barabaguiding. So we had to call off kugira ngo test reke kukoliki kubaho until tubonye official communication ngo tukazababwira bakukoliki bakagaruka.
Obwahati izoba iryebuze berakorereho tiryakamanyire. Amakuru aga gashakwa Adoniya Tihire ho muri Kisoro.